Beyonce has lent her voice to hurricane relief efforts by featuring on a remix of Balvin and Williams' new song Mi Gente. The 36-year-old singer croons in Spanish on the tune, proceeds of which will go to hurricane relief efforts as people try to rebuild their lives following the devastation caused Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria. Beyonce, who hasn't released any new music since the birth of twins Sir Carter and Rumi in June 17, said in a statement, "I am donating my proceeds from the song to hurricane relief charities for Puerto Rico, Mexico, and the other affected Caribbean islands." While the lyrics Beyonce sings are in Spanish, they translate as "With mine, everyone moves. I have the party in my jeans. I am the queen of the children. My people do not stop. Nobody here wants to go. If the rhythm is in your head, now let go and move your feet. I love it when the bass sounds. We started to level up." After revealing news of the track, Beyonce shared a video of herself dancing along to the tune while wearing a brightly colored striped dress, sunglasses and white trainers. The single is the latest way Beyonce has pledged her support for hurricane relief efforts. The mother of three hails from Houston, Texas, the first area affected by Hurricane Harvey, which left more than 30,000 people homeless due to serious flooding, and donated to hurricane relief efforts there without disclosing how much she had given. She also took part in the Hand in Hand a benefit for hurricane relief telethon on earlier this month SEP17, sending a pre-recorded message in which she shared her heartache at the devastation caused in Texas. During the time when it's impossible to watch the news without seeing violence or racism in this country, just when we think it couldn't possibly get worse, natural disasters take precious life, do massive damage, and forever change lives, she began. In my hometown city of Houston, people need food, clothing, cleaning supplies, blankets, shoes, diapers, and formula for babies, and of course, clean water, Beyonce continued. Natural disasters don't discriminate. They don't see if you're an immigrant, black or white, Hispanic or Asian, Jewish or Muslim, wealthy or poor. We're all in this together.